Well, I got a welder doing some work on the processor here, welding the ear back on. And I just went ahead and washed I got the fire trailer here just in case. And I thought, well, it's here. So I went ahead and washed the loader. Not perfect, just with the fire trailer, but rinse off a lot of that extra dust and dirt. I'll do the processor after he's done, but kind of clean everything up with the rest of the water and then fill it back up. But it's the second time this process has had to have some welding done on it. So anyways, but I'll let you go here. I bought for this window here on the side, you can't hardly see out of it. See that? I bought some, no, I don't got the service truck here. Anyways, I bought some like headlight restore, just compound you're supposed to rub on with a cloth. I'm gonna try that on that window and just see how it works. Well, end of the day, the welder and I sat back and chit-chatted, but he got it all welded up for me. Move this out of the way. It's all welded. So I'm happy with that. The spherical bearing, which I already knew was, but it came out in pieces. And so in typical Jippo logger fashion, so that I can work tomorrow, I'm going to put those pieces back in here and then put the pin in. It's after dinner time now though, and I got stuff to do. So I'll put this together in the morning. What I am going to do though is clean this out with brake clean real good, take my calipers and mic the outside diameter, mic the pin diameter and the width, and then order a new spherical bearing, because that's pretty easy. It looks like it just comes in with a if you look right in there, dirty, but it looks like a snap ring. So I can fix that later. That's pretty easy. Just drive this pin out and then put it in. But for now, I'll clean it and just put it in so it's not hammering on the pin in there. I'm assuming all these spherical bearings are the same size. I'll see if I can measure them. It would make sense if they are. And if that's the case, then I might order 2 and then I have a spare, because they're probably pretty cheap. I know the ones for the self-loader were really cheap. Another thing I noticed, these are the back knives. These are the top knives. These back ones, that pin, oh, now it's not doing it. That pin, oh, there it goes. That pin's kind of wallered out in there. See that pin moving? Originally, the whole pin was moving, so I thought it was seized in the knife, but it's not. It just, everything's sloppy and worn out. But I got that done. I took the fire trailer and I washed this down. Oh, I showed you that. I haven't cleaned the glass. I was gonna do that and then didn't work out. So anyways, that's it for now. Just thought I'd share the little bit of welding progress on the old lako processor. So thanks for watching. Bye now.